You are a medical billing professional with multiple patients, and you just received a lump sum payment from the insurance company covering several patients, but no patient's detail. No problem. Just copy paste your patient's reimbursement amounts into the Excel app. Next, paste the insurance lump sum amount into the Excel app as well. Click Find Combinations and see in seconds which amounts make up your lump sum. In this case, these are the amounts that make up the lump sum. Now let's check against our list of reimbursement amounts. So the lump sum is paying for John Smith, Sarah Martinez, David Brown, Ava Taylor, and Ethan Thomas. Download the app and save hours of work.